Most AI tools are useless. I know that sounds harsh, but you already know it's true. Right now in 2026, over 100 new AI tools launch every single day. And honestly, 90% of them don't actually solve a real problem. So I went through over 50 AI tools and tested each one on real work. Only 5 of them consistently saved me real, measurable time. No subscriptions, no technical skills needed. Those are the 5 I'm going to show you today. Alright, first up is Perplexity AI. Still Googling everything? This is genuinely going to feel like a superpower. Google gives you 10 links. You click each one and piece the answer together yourself. 20 minutes, minimum. Perplexity gives you one direct answer, with the sources right below it. I tested it on a real task, finding the best free AI image tools right now in 2026. I typed the question. Watch what happens. Google, 15 minutes of clicking through articles. Perplexity, a sourced, structured answer in 12 seconds. Use it for research, fact-checking, competitive analysis, or honestly, anytime you'd normally spend half an hour on Google trying to find a straight answer. Completely free. Link in the description. Next, Gamma.app. Building a presentation from scratch, finding templates, fixing fonts, hunting for images. An hour? Sometimes 3? Type a topic. Click Generate. Done in 60 seconds. I generated a 10-slide deck on personal finance for beginners. Watch how fast Gamma builds this out. It's building everything automatically. Layout, images, content, all at once. 3 hours down to 58 seconds. That's what Gamma does. Everything's editable. Swap images, change the theme, export as PowerPoint or PDF. All free. Gamma.app, link in the description. Third, Napkin.ai. This one almost nobody's heard of. It solves a problem I didn't even know had a solution. You write a paragraph explaining a process. Napkin.ai converts it into a clean visual diagram automatically, in about 10 seconds. I pasted a paragraph about the steps to starting a business. Watch this. 8 seconds. A clean, professional diagram, ready to drop straight into a doc or a presentation. Design tool, over an hour. Napkin, 8 seconds. Perfect for reports, educational content, and anyone who needs to explain complex ideas clearly. Free at Napkin.ai, link in the description. Fourth, Durable. Durable builds you a complete website in under 30 seconds. Not a blank template, a real homepage, contact form, copy, and images, all generated by AI from your business description. I typed, freelance graphic designer based in Dubai. Hit generate. 17 seconds. A fully designed website that genuinely looks like a real studio built it. The free plan lets you build and preview. Publishing costs money, but it's perfect for prototyping ideas and seeing what your brand could look like. Durable.co, link in the description. And finally, ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs generates AI voiceovers, not robotic text-to-speech, but genuine studio-quality narration that sounds like a real person. The quality is seriously indistinguishable from a professional voice actor, and the free tier costs absolutely nothing. Paste your script, pick a voice, hit generate, studio-quality audio in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. That's it. $10,000 free characters a month, roughly 8 minutes of narration, enough for one full YouTube video every single month. 4 faceless channels, or anyone who hates recording their own voice. This removes that barrier entirely. ElevenLabs.io, link in the description. Perplexity for research in seconds. Gamma for presentations in 60 seconds. Napkin.ai for visual diagrams. Durable for a website in 30 seconds. And ElevenLabs for AI voiceovers, all completely free. Every single link is in the description. No affiliate links, just tools I actually use. Subscribe, new tools every single week.